I am a 4-week-old puppy, and I am the pink puppy, and I'm number 4 female, and I am fathered by a V1 international champion. Yes, I am. And my mother, she is named Ouija. She is magic. She's Supergirl. She can jump, retrieve, sit, come. So she is smart too. And she makes nice puppies like me. Whoops, granddaddy. Your granddaddy is the most titled dog in the world. Oh my goodness. Who ever heard of something? And not just German Shepherd, but in the whole world. Just the most titled dog in the world. Come on, hey girlie. Let's see what you look like. Come on. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. Yes. Got me moving around a lot. I know that much. Got me moving around a lot. Come on. I like this girl. Yes, it is.